Good morning all. How are you? Fine? Very good. So now it's time to begin with our today's class. And today is 4th September. So you all know today is 4th September and day is Friday. And very soon we are going to begin with our half-yearly assessments also, isn't it? So it's time to buck up ourselves and start preparing completely. Indulge yourself in your revisions so that you can perform very well. So class C, tomorrow is Saturday, then Sunday and Monday. All these three are holidays for you. So what you can do, keep yourself revising all the topics, as you all know the syllabus also. So keep revising your topics and make yourself comfortable firstly with all the sounds in English. Clear? So moving to the last sound of I family word. So today we are going to do this last sound in I family word, that is ink. I-N-K. Ink sound word. Clear? So can you tell me some ink sound word? If you see the sound which I have written itself is a name. आप देख रहे हैं what I have written? Ink. So ink sound. I-N-K. Ink. क्या बना ये? I-N-K. When we mix them together, we get the word ink. Ink sound. कौन सी sound निकलती है? Ink. अब ink itself is a word also, if you know. You remember? I for ink pot. Ink. Ink किसको कहते हैं? शाही को कहते हैं. Like the one which we have in our pens. पेन में इंक होती है, जब वो फिनिश हो जाती है हम कहते हैं ना इंक फिनिश हो गई है, वो स्टॉप, अब नाउ वी आर नॉट एबल टू राइट विद दैट पेन. सो वन इज इंक. क्लियर? सो मूविंग टुवर्ड्स सम इंक साउंड वर्ड्स. फर्स्ट वी हैव इज दिस ड्रेस. सो कैन यू टेल मी द मीनिंग, द कलर ऑफ दिस ड्रेस? व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ दिस ड्रेस? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? Yes, you all are very much aware with all these colors. So what color is this? Pink. तो कौन सी sound बनी? P is mixed with ink sound. P, ink, pink. So how we are going to write that? P. Is this the correct letter? ये सही है letter. So this P sound is mixed with ink sound. You all know how to write pink, as you have written colors name also. So P, ink, pink. Pink is a color. And can anyone tell me how we get this color? After mixing white color with red color. See, this is white color na? White is mixed with red color and then we get this pink color. Okay. Now moving to the next picture I have here is something which you can see in your kitchen. अब आप किचन में जाते हो, so mama keeps used utensils या जो utensils गंदे dirty utensils, she keeps it here. What we call that? What we call that? क्या कहते हैं इसको? Sir, ink, sink. What we call it? Sir, ink, sink. Is that clear to all of you? So how we are going to write this word? Sir, ink, sink. Understood? Sir, ink, sink. Sink is the one in which we keep our dirty utensils to wash. P, ink, pink. It's a color. What is it? It's a color. Okay. Now I want to give you some examples like whenever mama gives you milk in the morning. Mama ने आपको milk दिया and what she says, you have to क्या करना है उसको? मिल्क को हम क्या करते हैं? वाटर है, मिल्क है, जूस है, जो भी लिक्विड्स होते हैं उनको हम क्या करते हैं? We eat them? च्यू करते हैं हम उसको? No, we don't. So what we do? We drink them. Ink. Drink. Clear? Drink मतलब पीना. So you do that either with your glass or straw, जिससे भी we drink it. See, जब हम straw से करते हैं that is called sip. Remember, ip sound में मैंने आपको कराया था कि जब हम किसी चीज को स्ट्रॉ यूज करके ड्रिंक करते हैं दैट इज कॉल्ड सिप, वो हम एक एक सिप लेते हैं। बट इफ यू आर ड्रिंकिंग समथिंग फ्रॉम टम्बलर, आप ग्लास से ड्रिंक कर रहे हो, ग्लास से ले रहे हो, तो वी कॉल दैट ड्रिंक, ड्र इंक, सॉरी ड र इंक ड्रिंक। So how we are going to write that? D R ink, that is drink. And what is the meaning of this word drink? Drink means पीना. Clear? What is the meaning of drink? Drink means पीना. Now moving to this picture. So in winters we all love to wear cozy dresses, है ना? जब ठंड होती है हम सब कोजी कोजी ड्रेस पहनना पसंद करते हैं. Sometimes we have a dress that is having furs on the cuff area, जो हमारा cuff area होता है, या on the neckline. So that furry area, what that fur is called? Mink. Ink, mink. What is that called? What this is called? Mink. Ink. It is called mink. Clear? So the sounds here is ink sound. Which sound we are doing? Ink. We have learned ink, mink, ink, sink, ink, pink, ink, drink. Clear? Now next word I have is, I'm writing the word here, आप उसको read करो और just try to understand what that word is. Ink, link. Can you tell me the meaning of this word link? Ink, link. Link होता है किसी चीज को connect करना. Like, see, आपने chains देखी है? Some chains in the market which we can see, जिसको हम हमारी जैसे if we are having some car or vehicle or some other vehicles which are standing outside your house, so we chain them up. उनको हम क्या करते हैं? chain कर देते हैं with something which is very solid, कि उससे वो निकाल के कोई लेके ना जाए. So that is called a chain. वो ऐसे link होती है, आपस में जुड़े हुए होते हैं. Can you see? I'll just draw one here. इस तरह से एक कड़ी दूसरी कड़ी से जुड़ी हुई होती है, like this. So that is called link. Link. ये इसके अंदर होता है ऐसे जुड़ा हुआ. Say something, जैसे ये एक link, ये एक chain का piece है and it is linked like this. फिर दूसरा उसके नीचे, then उसके नीचे. So that is called link. Something which is connected with other thing. Clear? कोई भी एक चीज दूसरी चीज से जब कनेक्ट होती है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी ऑल आर यूजिंग वाईफाई एट होम. वाईफाई इज जिससे हमें डेटा कनेक्शन मिलता है या इंटरनेट कनेक्शन मिलता है. सो व्हाट वी डू, वी लिंक आवर डिवाइस. हम अपने डिवाइस को, अपने फोन को या लैपटॉप को उसके साथ लिंक करते हैं, यानी कि कनेक्ट करते हैं उसके साथ. इज दैट क्लियर? देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ लिंक. वन इज दिस चेन लिंक and one I have told you related to technology, that is Wi-Fi से हम जब अपना लैपटॉप या मोबाइल को कनेक्ट करते हैं, that is also called link. किसी चीज का आपस में जुड़ना. Clear the meaning of link now? Okay. So one word we have learned is link. Now from link only I am going to tell you one more word, that is blink. So I'll write that here. Ink, blink. See, blur. They are mixed together. It becomes blur. Blur is mixed with ink sound, and the word that comes is blink. So what is the meaning of blink? Blink मतलब झपकाना. Like, can you see my eyes here? I am blinking it. मैं आप झपका रही हूँ ऐसे बार बार. So this is called blink. Clear? So one is this. किसी भी चीज को झपकाना. Sometimes it happens with electricity also. Light कभी होता है ना, बल्ब फ्यूज हो जाता है या कुछ, so फ्यूज होने से पहले वो ऐसे ब्लिंक करता है. कभी वो उसकी लाइट बहुत तेज होती है, कभी वो लाइट की कम हो जाती है. So that is called blink. बार बार झपकना. It can be our eyes, it can be the light of any bulb or tube, anything. Clear? Blink समझ में आया? Okay. Next we have is wink. Ink. Wink. अब this wink and blink are interconnected. See, ये जो word है blink और जो ये word है wink, they are connected with each other. How? Blink अगर हम eyes के context में देखते हैं तो blink मतलब आंखें झपकाना and wink is एक आंख झपकाना. Clear? Like this we do. Like this. ये एक आंख झपकाना. Clear? एक आपकी खुली हुई है but you are just opening and closing one eye, that is wink. If we use a very normal language, it is called aankh marna. Clear? So the words that we have learned is ma, ink, mink. Say with me, ma, ink, mink. Blur, ink, blink. So blur, blur. Blur, ink, blink. Then we have sir, ink, sink. La, ink, link. Pa, ink, pink. Then we did dra, ink, drink. And what is the meaning of drink? Drink means peena. Then we have wa, ink, wink. Wa, ink, wink. Clear the ink sound words, the meaning. If you want, I'll just repeat the meaning now. Mink is the furry part of any soft cozy dress we have. Clear? Then we have blink. Blink is झपकाना, आँख झपकाना या बिजली का we can call it fluctuation also. Clear? Then we have link. Link means connect करना, to connect with each other. Then sink. Sink is something which we have in kitchen. We use this part. We use this to clean our dirty utensils. Then we have pink. It's a color. Then dra, ink, drink. Drink means peena. Then we have wa, ink, wink. Wink means aankhman. Clear? Okay. Moving towards book work. So today you are going to do work in book page number 40 and 41. So these two pages are your today's classwork. Clear everyone? Page number 40 and 41 are your today's classwork. So what you are going to do in your homework today? Today we are going to do our homework in book itself. We are going to write these words later on in notebook, but you can learn them from your book. So today's homework is itself in the book. I'll just show you how you are going to do your classwork and homework both in book today. Okay? So class, while doing your work on book page number 40, you will see ink sound words. So which sound word we have here? Ink sound words. Clear? As every day you are going to trace these words here in your book as your today's classwork. So don't forget to write today's date, that is 4th September 2020. Clear? This is your classwork. So write CW and then you have to write these words. All these words. And after that read the sentence, name the picture. So what it is? Drink the milk. You are going to write drink here. Do not wink. आँख मारना गंदी बात होती है ना? So you are going to write wink here. Now moving to next, that is page number 41. Your today's classwork. What it says? Trace and match. Trace and match the words with the picture. So first you are going to write all these words here. Clear? They all are I sound words. After writing these words, you have to match them with these pictures. Like first we have is lips. So here we have lips. What you will do? you are going to match them like this. And for this matching work, you can also use your color pencils. Understood your today's classwork? Again, write today's date, that is 4th September 2020, and classwork here. Done? Now moving towards your today's homework. So for today's homework, we are going to do in book page number 42, then 43 and 44. So it's very simple to do this work. First it says word pattern. Write 2 more words with the same word pattern or ending. See, which sound is this? In sound, tin. Then what you are going to do? You'll write in, and what word it become? B in bin. V in win. Clear? Yes, of course. Write today's date, 4th September 2020, and this is your homework. So write HW here. Clear? So now we have this is tip. T-ip, tip. So what you will do, you will write this ip sound here and read the word. L, ip, lip, h, ip, hip. Clear how you are going to do? You just have to follow the sound, write these sounds with these consonants, and just read these words. Understood? Page number 42. Coming to page number 46. So find our name. Look at the picture and circle the correct word in each sentence, in each set. So now picture is given and you have 3 words here. You have to read these words and circle the correct one. How we are going to do? So this is the picture. Ribs, nib, bib. Bataiye, which is the correct word for this picture? It's a picture of ribs. So we'll circle ribs like this. Done. Next we have is lit, mit, kid. So can you tell me who is this? It's a kid. So circle this picture of kid here. Then we have fig, dig, big. So what picture is this? It's a picture of fig. So you'll circle this fig here. Understood? So this is how you will complete rest all other things. So yes, one more thing I'll ask you. What is this? A fish. But there is a point here. Can you see this arrow mark? Arrow किसके ऊपर है? Fin के ऊपर. Yes. So fin, fin, tin. So fin is the correct word. We are going to circle this fin like this. Okay. So another 4, 5 more you have here. Complete yourself and then share your work. Moving to the next we have is writing words. So write the word for the picture. See class, this work is like an practice for your upcoming assessments. अब आपको क्या करना है? ये words दिए, pictures दिए हुए, you can write their words here. Clear? So complete your work till page number 44 and don't forget to share with me. Okay everyone? So class, I hope that you all have understood your today's work. I know I have given you a little extra work, but that work is like a practice for your upcoming assessment. Okay? So if you will practice it in your book itself, you need not to run anywhere. आपको जो भी प्रैक्टिस करनी है आपकी फोनिक बुक में कीजिए. फोनिक बुक जो मैंने अभी आपको बताई है जिसमें वर्क, दिस इज योर फोनिक बुक. And you also have one read and write book, that is white color page वाली जो book है आपकी. Practice A, E, I sound in that book also. आप उसमें भी practice करेंगे, so you will be able to understand the ways in which questions can be asked. Practice your work and make yourself completely comfortable with all these 3 sounds. Clear? So today we have completed A sound, E sound and I sound. All these 3 sounds are completed. With that we have also done use of it. So all these things are your syllabus for upcoming assessment. So I give you best wishes of mine, all the best for your preparations, and expect you all to perform like a marvelous kid in all these assessments. Okay, bye all, take care.